What are you hoping for?
Art.
What's up, friends? As you probably noticed from the title or the thumbnail of this video, today we're doing something just a little bit different. We're gonna go out into that wide, wondrous world of coffee, and we're gonna do some barista challenges. I just had this brainchild the other day, and I thought, what if I just go in and challenge some baristas to some latte art stuff and record it? That might be fun, but I gotta put some YouTube twists into it. So for one, I've got this wad of cash in my pocket that I'm gonna be giving out to these baristas. And the way I'm gonna be doing that is I'm also going to be using this. This is the latte art dice. Now this ranges in difficulty from simple all the way to complex. But also, there's some extra money to be earned in the process. So through the challenge, there's some options that can up the amount of money you're gonna make. For example, if you roll a heart, that's a $5 pour. If you roll a swan, that's a 20. There's multipliers like if you pour into a cappuccino cup, that's an additional 5. A to-go cup, that's another 5. A cortado or macchiato, that's a 10. And if you're pouring with your non-dominant hand, that's another 5. Of course, this is all in good fun, but it's still a game, so there has to be some disqualifiers because I'm not just throwing cash at anyone who's willing to pour a latte on camera. So, of course, they're getting the $5 for competing, but you can be disqualified for either spilling the drink or making something that doesn't even closely resemble what you roll on the dice. Anyway, them's the rules. Hopefully it'll be fun for me, fun for the baristas who'll earn some money, and I'll get some latte art footage in the wild and maybe some awkward interactions. You never know. But before we head to the first cafe, a quick word from this video's sponsor, STANDART magazine. Nothing goes together quite like a cup of coffee and some quality reading, and STANDART magazine fits into that pocket of happiness perfectly. Each issue is like a snapshot of coffee culture at that moment in time, with topics ranging from those on the forefront to those on the margins, not to mention some eye-catching design and photography. An included sample of coffee from some of the world's best roasters helps bring the experience from your fingertips to your taste buds. So hit the link in the description, head to standartmag.com/Sprometheus or use code Sprometheus at checkout for a $5 discount, and treat yourself to a subscription of copy and coffee delivered to your doorstep nearly anywhere in the world with a money-back guarantee.
Okay. Just let the slow shut up.
What are you hoping for?
Art. So.
I mean, the head is there, the wing is there. I don't know about the base.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm doing thumbs up.
You're gonna give it a thumbs up? All right.
Why not?
big thank you to this month's Patreon supporters: Stephen, Claire, Sam, Bound Coffee, Spookus, Noel, Cheryl, Tom, Sean, Horrison, Ro, Ads, Josh, Corey, Tim, Tony, Matt, Jason, Cameron, Jeffrey, Jeff, Mike, Brian, Brandon, Tyler, BJK Cafe, JRC Absolute, Steven, Marco, Keefe, John, Lord Bumbly, Arthur, TechCom Advisors, Happy Camper, Keith, Devo, Ben, Monster04, Bruce, Lilac, Tony, Brooks, Henry, Sam, Pat, Suin, Hexagram, Junior, Kang, Sergey, Matthew, Miroslav, Malkonig, Schleck, Shrey, Steven, Andrew, Eric F., Andrew S., Preston P., Pedro, and Nano Roastery. And of course, a big thank you to the Barista and Barback tiers. If you want any information on my Patreon, there's a link in the description and the upper right-hand corner right now. And of course, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell button for notifications of new videos posted every Friday. Check out my Instagram at Sprometheus for content throughout the week, my blog at Sprometheus.com, my coffee at littlegiant.coffee, and as always, stay caffeinated. Ponyboy.